Today I'm going to walk you through how to use Capitalize My Titles WordPress plugins bulk update feature. Now I have this existing blog with a bunch of articles here, and I'm just going to click on this one to show you what an existing article looks like. Best automatic fish feeders. You obviously have the Capitalize My Title plugin that's loading here, and let's take a look at these titles. So they're all in regular title case format. I'm all good, have zero capitalization issues. But let's say that I want to update this entire blog to be uppercase titles. So all of these main titles be uppercase, and then all of these titles be sentence case. I can do that quickly and easily with the bulk update feature. Open this in a new tab. And now I have the bulk update feature. So I can go to settings to change what I want the bulk update feature to do. And like I said, I want the titles to all be uppercase, and I want everything else to be sentence case. So I'm just going to go ahead and change those. Now, I want this to apply to only my posts and pages. So I'm going to go ahead and remove everything else. So this includes menus and every other type of post. So I'm just going to exclude those attachments as well and only have it do it on posts and pages. And I'll save those changes. Now I can go to bulk update. Be very careful when you're doing bulk update though, as these will be permanent changes to your database. So when you click on start bulk update, you will get a warning saying that you need to make sure your settings have been updated properly and that you've backed up your posts. We don't take any responsibility for this. We're warning you, if you need to make a backup, we recommend using Updraft Plus. We have an affiliate relationship with them, but we've been using them, their pro version, on all of our websites. So then you confirm, and now we'll start the process of updating all these titles. And as you can see, as it's going through, these are all uppercase already. But we will show you what that looks like in a second here. So it's still going through. It's got 35 posts to update. It's completed. So now, just to show you that it updated all the post titles, we'll go to the main post page. As you can see, all of these are uppercase. And now I'll just refresh that post I was showing you earlier to show you all the subheadings as well. So uppercase title. And now as the Capitalize My Title widget is loading, you'll see all of these subtitles are in sentence case. So there you have it. This is how you do a bulk update in the Capitalize My Title plugin.